We've just received our first shipment of Revolution Acoustics transducers and amplifiers, so I'm having to unbox for the first time. Small box contains 2 transducers, and there's another box in here which is the Rev-Net amplifier. So let's see what's inside. We'll start with the transducers. They're sold in pairs. Comes 2 pairs. We have sticky pads appear in the box. 2 metal plates, mounting plates, with a predetermined thread and O-ring seal. And the 2 transducers. So, note the lack of speaker cone. It's a transducer to be mounted onto a hard surface such as a wall, a ceiling, a table, and of course if it's underneath it is hidden. So there's our pair of SSP6 transducers, and when it comes time for permanent installation, this is very quickly glued onto the hard surface, be it the table or ceiling or wall, or inside the wall, and then when it's time to finish the install, it screws on like so. And that's what the finished install would be like, but it's more than likely going to be inside a wall, so completely hidden, and the whole wall or ceiling becomes the radiating surface for the audio. The other piece is the matching amplifier. Software and instruction about the connections. So I note immediately a little Wi-Fi antenna, because the amplifier is set up via a PC app to call up presets. It has built-in EQ, which you can either use presets or customize for the room, and the Rev-Net amplifier also features a sound masking generator. On the rear, mains power, of course, the IP port, stereo out, and balanced audio in, and we also have some a remote control port for muting, etc. There's also a Dante version of the same power rating, but the built-in EQ allows you to manually adjust high and low frequencies to for the type of room and the type of furnishings and the type of floor covering, ceiling height, etc., to get the best sound out of the transducers. So Grant, could you hold them on the wall just so I can walk around? So hold them sort of outside around that grey ring and press really hard. Yeah, so sound is sort of all around, very even in the room. So how you got the bass and everything?